What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Dell's Corner. So today is obviously Christmas, and I ended up getting a fantastic gift. I always wanted a gift, or at least wanted one of these as a gift, or possibly bought one myself. And today, my father actually gifted me the Amazon Echo Dot. So I'm really excited to have one for my home. I've seen multiple friends of mine. I've seen family, friends, coworkers. They always talk about these Echo Dots, or just the Echoes in general. There's different types of versions and series, and whatever. But again, my father was actually able to gift it to me today. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a video, but I decided I'm going to do a video today. I'm going to do an unboxing, and I think as long as it doesn't take too long, I'm going to go ahead and do a setup, a Bluetooth setup. So join me on this Echo Dot. But hope everybody's Christmas is going okay. Mine isn't too bad. Spent some time with some family. But as far as I know, on this Echo Dot, on the actual boxing in general, it includes Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, NPR, TuneIn, Smart Things, and it says a lot more. This is actually the third generation. Has Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and audio line out. Ooh, right off the bat, we get the actual device itself packaged up. Yes, you do see Thanos in the background. I just added him not too long ago. Then you end up getting an instruction manual, which I'm pretty tech savvy, so it can't be that hard, right? We got an extra little things that you can say to Alexa, and then of course we got the power brick. Good stuff. Let's put this box away. Yeah, I've always wanted one. I've seen them. They're pretty cool. Apparently, they can reach all the way across like your living room. Let's plug this bad boy in. This is a 15-watt power brick, so it gives off a little bit of juice. If I remember correctly, I think they're actually wireless too, right? So they should be pretty quick to hook up. It actually takes a Oh, it's not USB-C. I was kind of hoping it was going to be USB-C. But I'm going to set this up, plug this in, get this going. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go ahead and start it. Ooh. Ooh. Blue. I like blue. All right, so I would assume that you got to pair it this way, right? Maybe not. Maybe I'm totally off. Maybe I do need the instruction manual. Alexa?
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
I gotta have an Alexa app? Well, this seems a little bit more complicated than I expected. And I don't like to edit my videos, so we're just gonna go ahead and download the Alexa app. Alexa Echo app install. Good thing I have super fast Wi-Fi here. Shouldn't take me too long at all. This thing actually has some weight to it. It actually has this felt material wrapped around. And of course down here we have the serial number, which I'm not going to show that. And then, oops. Oh shit. I accidentally unplugged it. My bad. It seems pretty sturdy, I'm not going to lie. Let's see. The instruction manual is 1, 2, 3, 4. It pretty much tells you the exact same thing. You got to go onto the Alexa app. Nice. So let's open up this Alexa app, which I got on my Samsung Galaxy S10. Yes, Samsung, hit me up if you ever need anything. And let's get started. And you want my password and all that good stuff, don't you?
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
She sounds kind of like a snack. Sorry if I'm sweating a little bit. I've been kind of getting over being sick. I actually was sick last week, and then 3 days later, I ended up getting sick again. So it's been absolutely bonkers, and for whatever reason, it's not taking. Hmm. It's not taking my Amazon account, which is odd. I might actually have to just do an unboxing because it is not taking any of my information. Ah, there it goes. So here we go, going through the Alexa app. Instructions, continue. Welcome to Alexa. Do you want to set up your device? Yes, I do. Allow access. Uh, Allow at all times. So that's what you generally want to do because, again, it's an Amazon Echo. An Echo Dot can be set up. Continue. Select your Wi-Fi. Oh, did it connect? Oh, this might be simpler than I thought. Nice.
Your device is ready.
That's it. Bedroom. Um, let's do the bedroom, the kitchen. Oh shit, no, let's just do the bedroom. Let's go to continue. I'm a little excited. Give Amazon permissions. Upload your contact. No, you're not uploading nothing. Huh. Teach Alexa your voice. A voice profile enables Alexa to learn your voice, call you by name, and provide enhanced. Deltrons. Alexa, play music. Alexa, turn off light. Alexa, add milk to my shopping list. My profile has been created. Continue with the setup. I'm here at home. Let's just. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. Yes, I'm here at home. Let's continue. Let's skip. No, thank you. I'm good. No, thanks. I'm good to go. Alexa, play the Beatles.
Shuffling your songs by the Beatles on Amazon Music.
Hey. That's all you're getting, because if not, I'm going to get copyrighted, and that's not going to be the best thing in the world at all. Alexa, stop. That's it. I appreciate y'all coming on in. I appreciate y'all supporting this channel. Sorry for the little bit of a setup process. Honestly, it was a lot quicker than I expected. So if you enjoyed this unboxing and you enjoyed up the setup, please leave me a like down below, and don't forget to follow the channel for future videos that I'm going to end up posting up. And don't forget to check out, of course, Drop the Spotlight at dropthespotlight.com. Once I actually play with this for a little bit, I'm going to actually do a personal review, and it will be up at Drop the Spotlight so go check it out. Link is down below. All my links are going to be down below. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Drop the Spotlight, same thing. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Everything's going to be down there. So please go follow us. Go show us your support. And again, until next time, love each and every one of y'all. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. And y'all have a wonderful Merry Christmas.